Tuna kabsa. Butter, tuna oil, ginger, garlic, bay leaf, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick, black lemon, onion, kabsa spices, fish masala, and tomato paste. Then mix. Tomato. Then put the tuna. Then mix. Add the rice, salt, and water. Just mix it a little. Cover. Mix, not too much. And that's it. Thank you for watching.